Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play The Sims 4 on an Asus laptop. First, let's ensure your Asus laptop meets the game's minimum system requirements. You'll need a 64-bit operating system, such as Windows 7 or newer. Make sure you have at least 4 GB of RAM and a 2.5 GHz Intel Core 2 Duo processor or better. A graphics card with 128 MB of video RAM is also essential for a good experience. Once you've confirmed your laptop's capabilities, the next step is installing The Sims 4. You can purchase and download the game from platforms like Origin or Steam. After downloading, find the installer file, usually in your Downloads folder, and double-click it. Follow the straightforward on-screen instructions, accepting the terms and choosing your installation location. The process typically takes about 20 to 30 minutes, depending on your internet speed and system. To ensure the best performance on your Asus laptop, optimizing in-game settings is crucial. After launching The Sims 4, go to the graphics options. Start by setting the resolution to your laptop's native display. Then consider lowering settings like texture quality, view distance, and lighting to medium or low. Disabling edge smoothing can also significantly improve frame rates, especially on integrated graphics. Experiment to find the perfect balance for smooth gameplay. Finally, here are some troubleshooting tips to enhance your Sims 4 experience. Always keep your Asus laptop's graphics drivers updated. This is vital for game compatibility and performance. Close any unnecessary background applications to free up valuable RAM and CPU resources. Playing while plugged into power ensures your laptop operates at its full potential. For longer sessions, a cooling pad can prevent overheating, maintaining stable frame rates, and extending your laptop's lifespan.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.